Hi guys, I'm Ivana. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. As if one unboxing for the day was not enough, the mail person just graced me with another package. And thank you, I love Dooney. So I'm losing lighting today, but I couldn't wait to unbox this, so we're going for it, even with this low lighting. I just want to see it because this is my first bag in this color, in this print. So pretty. So before I unbox that, I want to mention something. I recently received this beautiful gift from my good friend Pauline Newman. And this is my first bag in this collection. This one has been so great. I've been wearing it out and about, out to visit friends, out shopping, out to dinner. It's just been such a fun little bag. I love it in this color, Brown Timoro. And if that wasn't enough, Pauline also sent me this beautiful Dooney Bourke wallet. And this is in the Greta print. In the color, is this crimson or wine? I think it's wine. And I've been really loving this wallet. I'm really enjoying it, this beautiful rich color. How gorgeous is that? And if that wasn't enough, she also sent me this beautiful cosmetic case. And I have been loving this. It has come in so handy. I'm taking it on all of my trips back home to Chicago to visit family. And it holds all of my makeup comfortably. So I'm really loving this. Thank you so much, Pauline, for the very thoughtful, kind birthday gifts. And I will cherish them forever. So you guys, if you haven't checked out Pauline Newman's channel, I have probably already said this, but she's doing Vlogmas and she's doing fragrance reviews, and they are some of the best fragrance reviews out there. So go check her out. So that was one enabler on this purchase. The next enabler on this purchase says what? After watching one of her recent videos, I jumped right on I Love Dooney and got this bag. Isn't she cute? So before I unwrap the bag, here is the information. It is the Monogram Large Sac in the color Saddle. And here is the bag. Isn't this cute? Wow. I love so many features about this bag. I love all this leather trim. I love this little charm dangling here. And I love these sleek, straight zipper pulls. So here it is, all the way around. Bottom, 4 feet. And this is in the coated cotton. Inside has this beautiful suede trim right inside the bag. And isn't that just the most gorgeous color? I love that color. The lining is that thick kind of, what is this called? What is this called? Gingham? Gingham lining. It has the standard Dooney setup with the zip and a slip pocket on the back wall, 2 slip pockets on the front wall, and it has this little rollover top here, and I believe it's this suede that helps it to roll over and keep its shape like that. And the zipper is so nice and smooth. There's a front zipper pocket. Now this one is not as smooth, so I'm gonna have to put a little wax paper on there to help that loosen up. Actually, it's already loosened up with a couple of open and closes there. And this is more of that gingham lining inside of that pocket. My cell phone should fit in here comfortably. I was looking for the strap, but it's hanging right from the side of the bag. Get it together, girl. So here it is with the strap. The strap is a nice wide strap that has the unfinished underside, which helps it stay on your shoulder and not slide off so easily. I had such a hard time deciding on a color. I like the, is it the smoke color? The brown tea moro is one of my favorites. This color and the blue. But I really am drawn more to neutrals, and I just love this caramel color. This is the saddle, but it's like the caramel. I will put the measurements right across here. So let's try it on, shall we? Skims the elbow. Now, one thing I held off on this bag mostly was because I thought the drop was too long for me, because I don't like to carry my bags this low. I like my shoulder bags to be up higher, and this strap is not adjustable, but I think I can put up with it because I just think this is the cutest bag, and I think it's going to be so easy to wear and carry because it's just sling it over your shoulder and you're off. So we're quickly losing light here, and I just wanted to say thanks so much for joining me for another unboxing video. If you liked this video, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and please subscribe to my channel if you'd like, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.